Hello everyone, this is Anton, and today I have some good news. I told myself when I reached 1,000 subscribers that I would have a giveaway to show my appreciation, and this is what I'm going to give away. The SuperNote A6X, the Superstar package that SuperNote actually sells right now, with the Lamy pen, and it comes with a cover as well. So what you will get in the box is the cover that comes with it. Here it's a black cover that has Superstar on it. Really nice cover, and it has a little pen holder here that will hold the Lamy pen. The tablet itself, the e-ink notebook, the A6, is in good condition, barely used. You'll also get the pen, the Lamy pen, and all of the packaging, the original packaging that came with the box, with some stickers, some documentation, some additional nibs, and the actual charging cable that comes with the device itself. So all this stuff here I will give away this Friday coming up if you fit the requirements, and I'll give those requirements here in just a bit. But if you fit the requirements, then this entire package here can be yours. So what are the requirements? The requirements going to be pretty simple. You need to be a subscriber. That's number one. Number two, you just need to leave hashtag superstar, all one word, hashtag superstar, in the comment of this video. And also, the only other requirement is that the shipping address has to be a US address. So if you meet each of those requirements, you're a subscriber, you've left a comment on this video, and you have a US address for me to ship this to, then you could get this here for free for this giveaway. Okay, so that is really it for the video. Short and sweet, to the point. Again, this Friday coming up, I will choose a winner, random winner from this particular video, who followed those instructions that I gave previously, and we will see on Friday who the lucky winner is. So until the next time, have a good day.